Looking for a dish that is delicious and, of course, delightful to prepare in your very own kitchen? Well, here at Aside Guy Cooks, we've got you covered with Calypso Chicken. So let's get cooking. Let's prepare the Calypso seasoning. Ensure you have the spices on hand. Let's make the Calypso sauce. Time for the rice. Set your timer for 20 minutes. Only 20 minutes to cook the rice. Now let's prepare the chicken. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs work best. Time to build the dish. Calypso cuisine is a vibrant Caribbean style shaped by Trinidadian flavors and local ingredients like Scotch Bonnet peppers, allspice, garlic, mango, pineapple, and lime. Calypso cuisine is a melting pot of various cultural influences, including African, Indian, and European. Calypso cuisine, with its bold flavors and diverse influences, offers a delightful culinary journey that reflects the vibrant life and traditions of the Trinidadian region. The flavors are found worldwide. That looks really good. Let's get a portion onto a plate. And of course, that amazing Calypso sauce. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, this Calypso chicken recipe features seasoned chicken thighs cooked in an incredible sauce with pineapple, mango, lime, and spices. The rice and the Calypso sauce rounds out the dish perfectly. You and your guests will love it. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a weeknight meal you can be proud to make at home. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.